For the custom t-shirt printing market is booming, growing at a rapid pace of 7.6% annually until 2030. This is not just about clothing, it's about making a statement. As an entrepreneur looking to dive into this vibrant market by setting up an online custom print store, it's crucial to choose the right platform. In this video, we will compare two leading options, Printify versus Shopify, to see which might be the best fit for your business dreams. And by the way, if you would like to sign up for Printify, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. With that in mind, let's get started. Ease of use. Starting with Printify, this platform is incredibly user-friendly for those who are more focused on the creative side of things and less on the complexities of online store management. It streamlines the process of getting your store operational by removing the need to manage inventory or undergo extensive setup procedures. This is particularly beneficial for artists and designers who want to turn their ideas into products without getting bogged down by technical details. Printify's straightforward approach allows you to concentrate on creating and customizing your products while it takes care of the logistics. This makes it a preferred choice for those who want to launch quickly and easily without sacrificing their creative vision. On the other hand, Shopify offers a wealth of features and tools that cater to a broad aspect of online business management. But this can be daunting for those just starting out. It's an all-in-one solution that covers everything from website design and setup to handling payments and implementing marketing strategies. Shopify's comprehensive capabilities are ideal for business owners looking to grow and scale over time. However, the breadth of options and settings can require a considerable investment of time and learning, which might slow down the initial launch phase. Despite this, for those who can navigate through its complexities, Shopify offers powerful tools to build and expand a robust online business, product integration, and management. Printify simplifies the process of selling custom products by partnering directly with print providers. When you design a product and put it up for sale, Printify manages everything else, including production and shipping. This means you don't have to worry about keeping items in stock or managing how products are shipped to customers. By outsourcing these aspects, Printify allows you to focus solely on designing and selling your products. This model is especially appealing to creators who want to avoid the hassle of logistics and inventory management. In contrast, Shopify provides robust tools for managing a full inventory, which is crucial for businesses that handle a variety of products beyond just custom-made items. It gives you the ability to keep track of all stock, see alerts for when items are running low, and handle every detail of the order process. This level of control is perfect for businesses that are scaling up and need a comprehensive system to manage diverse product lines. Shopify's extensive inventory management capabilities ensure that you can expand your product range without losing track of orders or stock levels. For entrepreneurs planning to grow their store into a larger operation, Shopify's tools offer the necessary support to maintain efficiency and customer satisfaction. Design and customization options. Printify stands out by providing a vast array of customizable products, making it a great tool for creative entrepreneurs. When it's a user-friendly design tool, you can easily apply your unique designs to a variety of items, including t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. This simplicity allows you to focus more on the creative aspects of your products rather than getting overwhelmed by the technicalities of production and fulfillment. The platform is designed to be straightforward, minimizing the steps between design and sale, which is ideal for artists and designers who want to see their ideas realized without hassle. With Printify, the complexity of managing product creation is handled by the platform, allowing you to concentrate on design designing and expanding your product line. Shopify, on the other hand, while it does support customization, tends to focus more on enhancing the overall e-commerce experience. It offers a variety of customizable store templates and a flexible design interface, making it possible to create a professional-looking online store that aligns with your brand identity. However, when it comes to product customization, like printing designs on merchandise, Shopify typically requires integration with third-party print-on-demand services. This means that while you can create a visually appealing store, the process of setting up and managing product customization might involve additional steps and external services. Shopify is more about providing a comprehensive e-commerce platform, whereas direct product customization isn't its primary function. Pricing and costs. When starting a new business, it's important to understand the different fees associated with platforms like Printify and Shopify. One of Printify's biggest advantages is its cost effectiveness. It operates on a print-on-demand model, which means that there are no upfront costs for inventory. You only pay when a customer buys a product. This can significantly lower the barrier to entry for new entrepreneurs. It offers a tempting start with no subscription fees for its basic plan, making it easier on your wallet, especially if you are selling through social media or platforms like Amazon or Etsy. However, Shopify, although it has a subscription fee ranging from $5 to over $2,000, and also includes transaction fees and potential additional costs for third-party payment processing and other services. The subscription varies depending on the features and scale you need. While this means a higher initial cost, Shopify's comprehensive set of tools can justify the investment, especially if you plan to expand your business beyond custom products. Printify simplifies the life of an entrepreneur by handling the complete manufacturing and shipping process. Once you design a product and put it on sale, Printify's network of partner facilities takes over printing your designs and shipping them directly to your customers. This model is highly beneficial as it removes the need for you to invest inventory or deal with logistical issues. Everything from production to delivery is taken care of, allowing you to focus solely on creating designs and marketing your products. The convenience of Printify's services means that you can operate your business more efficiently and with less overhead. While Shopify offers a robust e-commerce platform, it does not include native print-on-demand capabilities. However, it compensates for this by allowing integrations with numerous print-on-demand apps available through its Shopify App Store. This setup enables you to add print-on-demand functionality to your Shopify store, though it requires additional configuration and possibly incurs extra costs. Using these third-party services can integrate seamlessly with your Shopify store, but keep in mind that managing these integrations might require a bit more effort and coordination. Despite this, Shopify remains a powerful choice for those who are looking for a comprehensive solution that supports a wide range of e-commerce activities beyond just print-on-demand products. Shipping and fulfillment. Printify's model means you don't have to deal with shipping logistics. Once a product is ordered, it is printed and shipped by Printify's partners directly to your customers, which can help streamline operations and reduce overhead. Shopify users, meanwhile, need to configure their shipping settings manually. This offers more control over shipping options and costs by requiring a deeper understanding and more hands-on management of your shipping processes. Customer support and community. Shopify is known for its excellent customer support, available 24/7, and a vibrant community of users. This can be incredibly valuable, especially when you are starting out and need guidance on using the platform effectively. Printify also offers good customer support with resources like comprehensive knowledge base, email support, and live chat. However, it might not match the immediacy of extent of support that Shopify provides, which can be a consideration if you anticipate needing a lot of help. Choosing between Printify and Shopify depends on what's more important for your business needs. If you like keeping things simple and focusing more on design than on managing a shop, Printify could be the way to go. It handles all the printing and shipping for you, which can save a lot of time and hassle. Shopify is great too, especially if you want more control and have plans to expand beyond custom products. products. But for those starting out and focusing on customized items, Printify is the better choice, helping you put your creative ideas to work with less worry. And don't forget, if you would like to sign up for Printify, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time.